I'm Sanya. I participated in this course in order to learn English deeply and make me speak fluently. I'm in level 6 now. This course included many interesting lessons. Among them, I like speaking lessons because in this lesson, they make us speak. Even if you didn't prepare yourself, they encourage you to speak, and that makes you improve step by step. Another one, especially in the early months, we translate and interpret. This makes you to be better in either Kurdish and English. Another feature they have is recorded lessons. You can watch them and study them whenever you want. Especially when you forgot something, you can go back to them and study again. Teacher Awad explained everything in detail. Moreover, for the meetings, when the teachers talk to you directly, they explain everything in detail. And if you have any question, they help you to understand. This program for me I can say it's like a miracle. Now I feel how much I improved. I understand grammar. I can speak better. English was like a dream for me. Now I can feel this dream become true. And the last thing I want to say, thank you for all the teachers. They are great. I was very comfortable with them. They are very friendly and helpful. This program taught me a lot of things and introduced me to a lot of good people. My advice is if you want to learn English, join this program without hesitation. Thank you.